Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chatting with Chops. My name is Karen and I like to make fun and entertaining videos that might teach you something. Today we are on the Hitchiti trail that is in Juliette, Georgia. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, but I'm sure there'll be some people that can help me pronounce that correctly. This trail is about 3.8 miles according to the All Trails app, and we're going to pretty much do all of it today, so let's get started. So All Trails app has different levels that they call their trails. They have easy, moderate, and hard. And I'm starting to realize what they consider moderate. We are actually going up a little bit of an incline right now. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but we're going up a little bit of an incline. So far we've had to kind of jump over the top of a dead tree, and we've had to crouch down up underneath a tree. So I don't know, I will continue to film any other little things that are going on, but it appears that this is kind of what All Trails is considering moderate, because you do have different levels of walking that you're having to do. And there's a lot more like roots on the trail and things that you're kind of climbing over. Well, here's your moderate. You have to bend down underneath one tree and then climb over the top of another tree at the same time. They still have little benches for you. Isn't that awesome? So those of us who need a break can get a break. So another thing I did want to point out is when you're walking these trails, try to be really careful, because this is right beside the trail. We have got some poison ivy going on, and I'm trying to give you a good picture of how the leaves are shaped, but this is right beside the trail. So if you're walking with little ones, just be careful what, they always like to pick flowers and pick leaves and pick stuff. So you might want to just be cautious. This has been a fantastic trail. I have really enjoyed it. There is a lot of undergrowth that's close to the trail, so I'm sure you're gonna have to be really careful of ticks and things, but it has just been a beautiful day. It's a beautiful trail. There's plenty of shade, lots of little bugs, so again, make sure you put on your bug spray, but it is just beautiful through here. little spot where we could kind of get down by the water. And there's a little sandy spot here. Water's not that deep at the moment, but this is what we just discovered just wandering along. Okay, you can't tell me that's not just beautiful right there. And I don't even know that I'll be able to pan all the way up. That's just gorgeous. It is just a beautiful day here. It's about 70 degrees. And of course we're in the shade, just walking along, enjoying. So you come through a clearing for a little bit and then back into the woods we go. We just went through all of that bush and undergrowth and all of that, and then we just popped out. We have this beautiful scenery here. We'll find out what the name of this creek is, but it's definitely, you can see it's definitely wider. The water's moving a little bit quicker. And it's just beautiful, cool. We have a nice breeze. It's just gorgeous. So I just walked by him. He is very, very still, not moving. I'm not getting any closer again for you guys. This is as close as you get, but I just walked about 4 inches from him on the path. And no, I did not wet myself, but I will say that I was walking on borrowed time of not running into any snakes on these trails that we've been on. So there you go. There's your wildlife. That's all you're going to get from my trails, please. So we're officially done for the moment with all the brush and the undergrowth and the missing the trail because it wasn't there. I'm gonna take a picture of my All Trails recording so y'all can see how messy it got. But now we are on basically a Forest Service road in the sun all the way back. And this is basically what it looks like. We're back. It's about a 4-mile hike. It was about 4.5 miles for us because there was a couple of spots where if you don't have your All Trails app with you, you need to have some other form of keeping up with where the trail is, because there was a spot there. I took a picture of it and I'll show y'all. But there was a spot there where you could not see where the trail was. We were all over the place. So that kind of added a little bit of time. No trees blazed, nothing. But we're pretty much done now, and I would say it was a great trail if you really like the backwoods, no real trail there. And I mean, it was a bunny trail we were walking along, so it was pretty intense. And then pretty much the whole way back you're walking on just a regular fire service road. So it's a forestry service road, so it's not that great of a walk on the way back. But anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will catch y'all on the next trail.